Well, we finally made it, folks, to Super Bowl weekend out there. Super Bowl Eve on this Saturday, and it truly feels like winter as you step out and about. So Old Phil the Groundhog and even Western Maryland Murray or Chattanooga Chuck, they may have been right here on the forecast. It does look gorgeous out there, though. Tons of sunshine, some high cirrus clouds. We'll notice more of those clouds as the day progresses on. High pressure will continue to slide east, and you see back towards the west that wintry mess lurking in the distance. Chicagoland, even up towards Minneapolis for the Super Bowl, seeing snow, and temperatures back behind that little frontal boundary below zero across Minnesota and the Dakotas. Luckily, we're not going to get that cold, but we'll have to keep an eye on these temperatures going into your Sunday. Right now, we're in the 20s in most spots after starting out in the lower teens. The southerly and southwesterly breezes at 5 to 15 are helping us out, and those winds out of the south and southwest are key because that's going to bring in warm air aloft up at airplane level, 5,000 feet above, but it's going to bring it over colder air at the surface, and that could cause a problem with some freezing rain and sleet initially as the event starts as we get towards your Sunday before the warmer air wins out during the afternoon hours. We call that a cold air dam as it's locked in right against the mountain. So the temperatures right now in the 20s will creep up and above freezing through the afternoon hours. Then as we get towards tomorrow morning, as you head off to church, maybe off to the grocery store to get some of those Super Bowl goodies, those temperatures will go up and over freezing before the precipitation arrives, and then the precipitation gets in here in the form of a rain-snow mix, I think initially to start for everyone. As it falls down to the surface, that's where we could see some problems with slick spots, mainly over towards Frederick, northern Howard, as well as Carroll, even northern Baltimore and Hartford counties along the PA, as well as Maryland line there is where we could see some issues, and then everyone goes over to rain just in time for kickoff as we get towards the Super Bowl. But after that, the system exits during the overnight hours, and we turn a whole lot colder and gustier on those winds going into your Monday. So an icy mix to rain, Frederick, Westminster, across portions of Carroll as well as Frederick County, over into portions of northern Baltimore County, up towards the Cockeysville area, Parkton, and then back across portions of northern Hartford County, right up towards the PA Maryland line is where we could see some issues. Everyone else is just mainly rain. Your Super Sunday playbook here. In the morning, snow to ice, temperatures in the 20s, but everyone turns to rain as we get towards the afternoon hours. The confidence is growing that rain will be the primary factor, but icing concerns are still possible. Western Maryland over towards Frederick, 15, as well as I-70 and I-81. Want to watch out for those slick travel concerns. Your 7-day forecast, here we go. Slippery conditions on Sunday to rain. 40 degrees, and then we get towards the middle of the work week, more rain to snow Wednesday into Thursday before we watch another system creep on in here as we get towards the next Saturday. For now, stay safe out there and enjoy this Super Bowl Eve.